Are condos a good investment in New York City?
Manhattan condos can be strong investments for the right buyer, but success depends on market conditions, building financials, and thorough legal due diligence. New York City condos offer fee-simple ownership with deeds, rental income potential, long-term appreciation, and more flexibility than restrictive co-ops. However, they also come with significant closing costs, monthly common charges, and complex legal requirements that every buyer must understand.
Manhattan condos attract investors because they provide true ownership control over how you use, rent, and sell your property without board approval. The borough's limited land supply, strong demand, and high barriers to new construction support long-term value growth potential. Condo owners can typically rent out their units without the restrictive approval process that co-ops require for subletting arrangements. Paying down a mortgage builds equity over time, and owners may deduct mortgage interest up to $750,000 of debt. Under federal tax law, the state and local tax deduction cap has risen to $40,400 for 2026. New York Real Property Law Article 9b, known as the Condominium Act, establishes the legal framework for creating and operating condominiums statewide. The Martin Act gives the New York State Attorney General broad authority to regulate the offering and sale of condominium units. For sponsor offerings, developers must file an offering plan with the Attorney General's Real Estate Finance Bureau before selling units. The offering plan is the most important legal document for any condo buyer, containing critical details about building condition and finances. This document must disclose terms of sale, physical descriptions, financial projections, common charges, and any known material issues affecting property value. Watch for red flags like underfunded reserve funds, sponsor-controlled boards, pending litigation, and unrealistically low common charge projections. A condo's investment value depends heavily on the financial health of the condominium association that manages the building's operations. Monthly common charges cover operating expenses including staff salaries, insurance, utilities, maintenance, and professional management fees throughout the building. Never sign a purchase agreement without having a real estate attorney review the complete offering plan and building financial documents. Contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-4090, located at 505 Park Avenue No. 1201, New York, New York, 10022, to schedule your condo investment consultation today. Contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-4090, located at 505 Park Avenue No. 1201, New York, New York, 10022, to schedule your consultation today.